Going over Google stock here, and on unusual whales, we have some price targets here to go over. We've got Cantor, Roth, Rosenblatt, and KeyBank, as well as Piper Sandler, JP Morgan, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley. These are just some recent price targets here to take a look at. And again, take this with a grain of salt. But as for March here, just looking at 202, 205, 220, and $200 price targets, 2 of them being a hold, and then 2 of them being a buy recommendation. Let's go ahead and take a look at Webull here, and I'll just go ahead and share with you my personal opinion in terms of downside, upside moves, and what to keep an eye out for going into the next couple of weeks. And as a reminder, today is March 25th, 2025. Current price is 169.65. And the downside move here, I'll go ahead and share with you that first. So from our current price here, if anything, I think the bottom has already been priced in here. This bottom here of 156, I don't think we will get that test again. This is actually going to be the bottom in my opinion. And if anything, if you think there is a potential pullback in the next couple of days or weeks, the potential pullback is down towards 166. And I think this is the next bottom here. If there is a hypothetically another pullback, 166 here or 165 should hold as a support pretty well. And it's only going to be about a 2 to 3% drop from current prices. If it were me personally, I think this is a really good considerable dip opportunity, especially while we are below the 200 daily moving average. I think we are about to reclaim this, in my opinion, going into April and May. I would definitely keep an eye out for price to test between 175 all the way up to about 191. And of course, by the end of the year, I think we do break above 206, which is our recent high here on Google stock. So last but not least, I do want to go ahead and compare the current price and share with you the upside moves and some resistance levels to keep an eye out for. First one is going to be that 200 daily moving average at about 175. And again, that's going to be a 3% move towards the upside. And post daily moving average, I think we should have a move closer towards the upper Bollinger Band. And also this is the next resistance on the Fibonacci retracement, closer to 191. This is going to be a 12 to 13% upside move from current prices. And our all-time high here at 206, I believe should be tested as well. So post 191 resistance, 206 here towards the end of the year or possible middle of the year, I do expect to see be tested, okay? So this is going to be the minimal price target in my opinion, 206 being a 22% upside move. My prediction is still remaining the same here as our previous video for Google stock, and that is a price target of 220. It's going to be a 30% move towards the top side from our current prices here. So I just think below the 200 daily moving average, this is a extremely, great dip opportunity. Similar to our previous drop here back in September of 2024, we had a dip down to about 147 and reversed back up and made a higher high, right? Now look at where we are right now. Pretty similar, right? Dropping down below the 200 daily moving average, reverse back up and make a higher high. So 220 there is going to be my prediction, okay? You can see the percentage difference as well from our previous high to our high here of 206 was a 8% increase. And if we do 206 all the way up to about 220, it's pretty close, but it's about a 7% or 6% increase. So this is my minimal price target for a Google stock by the end of this year, 220. All right. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Are you here just playing the momentum for Google stock? Are you long-term on Google stock with shares or calls? I definitely think this is a pretty good dip opportunity, ranging between 165 and the daily moving average. So 174 or 175 down to 165 is a pretty good entry in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you think down below in the comments for that as well, okay? If you found this video helpful, by the way, feel free to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. We're pretty close to 2,000 subscribers, and totally appreciate you guys' support here, and thanking everybody for watching our videos. If you haven't had a chance to join our Discord yet, we do have a free to join link down below in the description. We do have over 32,000 people, and there is a Google chat section as well. If that's something you're interested in, you can share your due diligence and ask questions and read up on other people's opinions, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Google stock.